Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me ask you, how many times have you struggled with styling your hair when you're running out the door, but still want to look put together? Well, I have something here that promises to make that process way easier. Today, we're talking about the Vivica A LBPB-DIMPLE Bang Bun, your solution to instant, glamorous hair with minimal effort. This beauty is part of the Vivica Fox hair collection and combines two essentials, a lace bang and a tight spiral curl ponytail bun. It's designed to offer a seamless, natural-looking hairline with the lace front, making it feel like your own hair, but better. Plus, you get the added bonus of a spiral curl bun that's both playful and elegant. Now, let's break down the details. The LBPB Dimple is made with premium heat-resistant Futura fiber. This is a fantastic feature because it allows you to style it with heat without compromising the softness or integrity of the curls. Whether you want to add a little more bounce or keep it sleek, it holds its shape while maintaining that natural look. And because it's heat-resistant, you don't have to worry about it losing its texture with everyday wear. For real-world usage, I tried this product in multiple scenarios. I used it during a busy morning routine when I needed a quick, polished look for a day out. It was as easy as slipping on the lace front, pulling my natural hair back, and securing the bun. The lace front blended seamlessly, and the spiral curls of the ponytail added a fresh, voluminous look. The best part? It only took a few minutes to apply, which is a total win when you're on the go. Now let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. It's incredibly easy to apply, offers a natural, seamless finish, and the spiral curls are soft yet voluminous. The heat-resistant fiber also gives you flexibility when styling. It's great for those who need a quick, polished look, especially if you're short on time but still want to stand out. The colors available, like P4, 27, 30, are beautiful and vibrant, and they blend well with natural hair tones. On the flip side, the cons. While the texture and quality are impressive, the lace front might feel a bit too delicate for some. If you're looking for something that can handle a lot of tugging or rough styling, you might want to keep that in mind. Also, because it's designed for quick styling, it doesn't have the same level of customization or longevity as more permanent options like sewn-in weaves. In terms of value for money, it's definitely a solid investment if you're someone who needs a quick, chic look without the hassle. You're paying for the quality fiber, the effortless styling, and the natural appearance it provides. If you're looking for an alternative at a lower price, there are some similar quick fix options out there, but they may not offer the same heat resistance or overall quality of Futura fiber. As for build quality, the materials are durable enough for regular use, but because it's a quick apply style, you might want to treat it with a little extra care when it comes to storing it. This isn't a product you'd want to throw around carelessly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. While I didn't directly interact with customer support for this particular product, Vivica A. Fox's reputation in the beauty world for customer care and product satisfaction is solid. If there's ever an issue, I'd expect them to be responsive and helpful. For alternatives, if you're not into the bun style or are looking for something a bit more classic, there are other ponytail extensions and lace front pieces at a range of prices that still provide a polished look. Just be aware that you might sacrifice some of the high-end fiber quality or the seamless blending that this product offers. Final verdict? If you need a quick, effortless, and stylish hair solution, the Vivica A. Fox LBPB Dimple is a great choice. Its combination of a lace front and spiral curl ponytail bun makes for an easy yet stunning look in minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or special occasions. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.